I'm going to show you how to set up your new printer, how to install the ink cartridges, then filling the ink tank, and I'll also show you how to connect it with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office so that you can use it for wireless printing and scanning. So let's start with the setup. Press the power button. You will see the wireless light is flashing. That means your printer is in the setup mode. Now first thing is to connect this printer with any device. For example, I'm going to use my iPhone. So go to your iPhone, download the HP Smart app and open the app. In the app section, click on the plus button on the top and look for your printer, like set up a new printer, get started. So it will display your new printer. We simply have to select it, then it will proceed to the Wi-Fi network. Select your Wi-Fi network once you see here, and then enter the password of your home or office Wi-Fi network and follow the instructions for the complete setup. So after a few seconds or a minute, you will see your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network, and then we will proceed for the fill in ink tank and installation of the print heads. So here you can see it is connected to the Wi-Fi network. It may ask you to join the HP account. You can join it, or you can skip the account activation and you can do it later on. Now the next thing is we have to start the installation of the ink. So select the right ink and go to your printer. So open the printer door from the left hand side and you will see there is a black ink we can install here. So open this section. Also, if you want to install the black ink first, you can do that. So make sure you remove the seal from the bottle. So you just have to open the bottle, remove the seal and place the cap back again, and then we can put the ink into the ink tank. So here you can see that. So once ink is filled in completely, you can take the bottle out and just repeat this process for all color ink cartridges or color ink tanks. So we can start with the yellow, then we can do the magenta and the blue color. Once it is done, we simply close the ink cartridge chamber and go on the mobile for the further instructions. On the mobile screen, keep scrolling ahead and you can get continue option. Now we have to close the chamber and open the chamber again, and then we will install the setup ink cartridges or the print heads. So it's very easy to install the print heads. You simply go to this section, press that blue button downwards and remove that orange cap. Once we remove it, we can install our new print heads here. So black will go to the black side and the color will go to the color side. So take them out of the plastic packaging. Make sure you remove the seal from the top and the bottom of the print head. Now simply place it in the chamber, press it down so that it can settle it there, and just do it same for the coloring cartridge. Remove the seal and the top seal and then place in its position. Close this lock and close the ink cartridge chamber door and go to your mobile. Now we have to load the paper sheet. So the tray is at the bottom, so adjust the size, place the paper in, and then we will simply close this. Next thing is to print the alignment page. It will do it automatically and we simply have to scan it by pressing the copy button and placing it in the top scanner. Once we do that, so after we press the copy button, the scanning is done and also it will complete the setup. You can register for automatic updates for your printer, so just select that and click on the apply button. Now the printer is almost set up. We can print a confirmation page or setup complete. That's the message we get here. Now your printer is ready and we can use it for wireless printing and scanning through our HP Smart app. In case you want to add or join other devices, you can do that and then you can use it for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.